If you truly understand what I'm about to tell you guys today and apply it to your business, you will be so much more effective, your workers will be so much more effective, and you will get more done in less time, and overall that equals to more money long term. What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. I am back with a quick video today, and today I wanted to talk about a concept that I learned recently from a mentor of mine, which has really allowed my business to grow and overall just be so much more effective. Ever since I learned this, I have actually been able to get my employees to work faster, get myself to work faster, have better output, and make more money. And it is crazy because the whole advice sounds so simple, but at the end of the day, the advice, it's everything sounds simple, but it's not easy, right? So application is what matters. So in this video, I want to also let you guys know that whatever I'm about to tell you is useless if you don't actually apply it to your business or to your life. Also, if you think I am talking too slow, you can actually speed this video up and listen to me on 1.25 or 1.5 speed. And that is actually what I do with most of my YouTube videos. So there's a little tip for you. So basically, an advice that I got from a mentor recently was this right here, and it can be summarized into one word, and that word is speed. Ever since I learned this lesson of speed, which I'm about to tell you guys and explain a little bit more in a minute, like I said, I have been so much more faster at working, made my employees work faster without sacrificing the quality of work. And as a business, and also applying this in my life, I've seen a huge difference in me getting results and the time it takes for me to actually get the results as well. And when I say speed, I mean speed, okay? So a lot of people are lazy. A lot of people take too much time to do work. A lot of people give themselves too much time for a certain task or a certain, a certain project, right? At the end of the day, whatever they're doing could be done so much faster if they were to actually put some urgency, put some scarcity, and give them less time. And you can actually do this without sacrificing the quality of work either. And a lot of people mistake, the quality of the work. Like when you hear fast work, they just think it means like trash work, right? It doesn't have to be the case. You can work fast and still produce quality results or quality output. It's just at the end of the day, it's just how effective you work and how focused you are when you're working. If you actually don't already know, a lot of people, they actually take too much time when it comes to doing work. They take forever to get something done. They're always on their phone getting distracted, or a task that should take them 3 hours takes them an hour, maybe 30 minutes. You know what I mean? People take too long to get shit done at the end of the day. And when I started really applying the principle of speed, getting shit done fast, it really made sense, because the faster you can get something done, the faster you can make changes, and the faster you can improve it and also, optimize it at the end of the day. It's better for you to get something done in 2 hours, figure out what changes you have to make those changes in an hour, versus finishing something in 12 hours because you want to perfect it and realizing that you're still going to have to make changes and it takes another couple of hours. There's a big difference in time when it's, getting something done in 2 hours, making changes fast and putting it out there, versus taking 12 hours, then getting feedback, then making changes, then putting it out there, right? You waste time in between of trying to make it perfect at the end of the day. You should literally just be thinking about, just getting shit done fast, putting shit out there, making changes, learning from it, getting data so you can, use the data that you got back from whatever you put out and optimize it or improve it based on the data, instead of in your head thinking, if I try to make it perfect, the output will be better. And me just understanding this concept that a lot of work that I've been doing, it can be done faster. I've actually been doing that. I've been able to get work done faster without sacrificing this quality, because in my head, I'm just thinking speed. I don't need 8 hours to do something. I can realistically finish in 2 hours. And even to my employees, I taught them this lesson. I let them know that, hey, listen, guys, a lot of stuff we're doing, we're wasting time. There's a lot of inefficiency. What we need to start doing is really start, speeding things up and getting shit done faster without sacrificing the quality, so we can build momentum, we can make changes faster, and we can get a lot more output throughout, in our business, which means we can get more stuff done. The more stuff we get done, the more money we can make. Ever since I have taught them this concept of speed, they've been so much more effective. You know, one of my video editors used to take forever to actually edit the videos. Now he gets them done in 10 times less time. So if he was taking 12 hours to do it, he does it in, 2 hours now. Even my thumbnail guy, he used to take 30 or 2 hours to make a thumbnail. Now he does it in 15 minutes. And you guys got to truly understand, man, how powerful this concept actually is. The power of just getting shit done fast so you can do more stuff, make changes fast, and build momentum. Because you guys got to understand, a lot of people in business, they waste a lot of time. A lot of time is wasted doing, this, that, or whatever. And it's just not effective, guys. It's just not effective. So this is one of those low-key business advice that I just want to give to you guys. And I want to keep this video short. I can drag this along, but I think you guys get the point. A lot of people are ineffective. A lot of shit you're taking a while to do can be done faster. And at the end of the day, it's better for you to get something done fast, make changes fast, and put it out fast, and optimize it fast, and take a lot of time to perfect it, put it out, make changes, and then, just take so much time and just waste a lot of time and output. So yeah, that's my business lesson for today, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. And yes, I know the video was a bit different. It was very quick. I could have made this longer, but I just got to the point, and I think you guys understand, just start getting shit done faster, start giving yourself faster deadlines, and I'm telling you, you guys are gonna start getting it done. On your next project, let's say if it was gonna take you 10 hours, you should start giving yourself 3 hours. And I promise you, you will realize how much you can actually get done in 3 hours. People don't value their time. People don't understand that, time is a very valuable asset, and they waste a lot of it. They're very ineffective. They're not productive. So we don't want to do that. We want to be as productive as possible. We want to be effective as possible. So we're going to understand the power of speed, this concept of speed, take it with us, and try to make everything in life, man, speed, just get it done as fast as possible so we can make changes as fast as possible, so we can optimize it as fast as possible, and we can put more stuff out. The more stuff you put out, the more stuff you can put out. At the end of the day, it's the more money you can. Quick example as well is, if I go ahead, start a Shopify store today, utilize the power of speed and start the store today, versus you who takes a week to start a store. If I have my store up today and you had your store up the next week, there's a time period of a week where I could have made money where you couldn't have, right? And even during that time, while I was running the store, I could have made changes. So really understand that this concept of speed is so powerful. And if only people really truly understood that this could change their business, and if only they understood that their potential is so much higher than what they think. Because at the end of the day, a lot of people, they give themselves too much time. And also, I don't blame them, as even in school, the deadlines were too long. The project deadlines were too long, and we always waited till the last minute to get it done anyway. And also, a lot of people just mess up because of the distractions we have. Look at this, man. There's distractions everywhere. You go on your phone, there's distractions. You go on your computer, there's distractions. You try to just walk around you're addicted to something. We live in a pretty crazy world right now. And if you are someone that can get work done fast, if you can optimize your life faster, if you can just speed things up and really start building momentum, promise you guys, you will succeed more in business as momentum, man. If you guys have momentum going, your business can really scale fast. You can really do so much more with your business. And in the long run, just crush all your competition. And trust me, guys, apply what I said in this video. Apply what I'm teaching so far. If you guys are liking these daily videos, if you guys are liking some of these business lessons, or if you like this business lesson, comment the word splash, right? And let me know, because I would love to know that this actually helped you guys. But anyways, I said I'm not going to drag it for too long, even though I did, but I gave you guys a lot of value. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love you all so much. Stay safe during this quarantine. I am bored as hell. Can't wait till this is over. Love y'all so much. Stay safe as always. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out. Bye.